Hey folks, welcome back to AAA Phone. Jamie G. Let's see how many eggs we got. Hey ladies. At 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 26. 26 eggs today, y'all. Talk to y'all more.